I just wanted to show you how I'm recording my stop motion videos, and this is actually where I do it. This is where I have my rooms, and all my extra stuff is all in this cabin. Actually, I have a small cabin in another place where I have a few more things, but this cabin is where I record my stop videos for now, and have been doing it for quite a long time, actually for years. But I'm working on something new. I'm going to try to see if I can give you a bigger picture of it. It's not gonna be easy, but it is a cabin that I'm using, a bookshelf cabin, or what you call that. But that's what I have been using for now. My next video, stop motion video, will be made a bit different, because I got myself this furniture. Actually, there is going 4 drawers in there. I have them standing right here. I'm just not all done with putting it together, but they're gonna go in this cabin, and I am going to have all my things for my stop motions in these drawers, so that's going to be really easy. And I'm going to have some kind of holder, stand, whatever, for a backdrop here and the floor, so I have it in a really nice workspace height for my stop motions, and then I can have all of my stuff one place, so that's gonna be really neat. I'm going to set you on standby, and I will be back as soon as I have this placed and put together, so you can see how it works. Okay, I told you about this new thing. Now I'm going to show how this works. This is one of the things holding these plates on where they need to go. So I lift this one up a tiny bit, because I don't want everything to fall out. So I can take this down. Whoops. That's the door. So I can take this down or up with the side I like to use, and then I have a piece of floor that I also can turn around if needed, so I have 2 sides on there. And then I have another wall piece here, and also with 2 sides, but I'm going to use that one for my next pictures. So I'm just going to put that down, so that is keeping it in place. It's pretty big, so I can use it for making stop motion videos. And both the door and the window are able to open. This is just a fake inside, but I liked it to be possible to open the door. And the window here is also possible to open. So that's really nice, and that's just a green screen I have here in the back. So you can see there is like 2 walls here, so this one can be moved also. They can both be turned around, so that's pretty neat. I like the setup, and you can always put a new floor in here. And I'm going to make an outside floor for this brick wall, so it looks like she is actually standing outside and not inside the house as it looked like now.